Here we're being asked, in the text, which point does Prospero most directly make about Miranda and her memories? So we're going to focus on Prospero making a comment about Miranda and her memories. So the following text is from Shakespeare's play The Tempest, first performed in 1611. Miranda has lived on an island with her father Prospero since she was 3 years old. Prospero stated that Miranda likely does not remember anything other than her life on the island. So that's Prospero's background. We might want to note that. Miranda says, "'Tis far off, and rather like a dream than an assurance that my remembrance warrants, had I not 4 or 5 women that once tended me." So that is Miranda's memory. Prospero says, "Thou hadst, and more, Miranda." So he is basically validating it. "But how is it that this lives in thy mind? What seest thou else?" So he's basically kind of impressed that she can still remember it. "In the dark backward and abysm of time, if thou rememberest how and thou camest here." That's hard to read, so you might just go briskly through that. "How thou camest here, thou mayst." So basically he's saying, it's surprising she remembers things, she might know more. So A, Miranda's reminiscences about her early childhood have a melancholy quality. There's nothing indicating they are melancholy. A is eliminated. Choice B, Miranda's doubts about the accuracy of one recollection. It's not doubting. She's actually right. I mean, she's absolutely right, and Prospero thinks she's right. Choice C, Miranda's ability to summon details of an experience she had before arriving on the island suggests that she may be able to summon details of her arrival on the island. Absolutely matches Prospero's statements and the background. And then Miranda's impression of a scene is vague because she's remembering a scenario she had daydreamed about. It's not about daydreaming. She was right. So that we can eliminate. We'll eliminate choice D. And our correct answer is C.